My I'ma try to warn me, got the one.